Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about a concept that sounds super technical, but is actually fascinating and vital for our health. Remote ischemic conditioning, or RIC. Let's rewind to 1986. A scientist named Marie discovered something amazing. He found that if the heart experiences a brief period of ischemia, that is, a temporary lack of blood floats, like it's doing a warm-up, and the result, if the heart later faces a more severe ischemic event, like a heart attack, it's actually more resilient and suffers less damage. This phenomenon was called ischemic conditioning. Basically, a little bit of stress prepares the heart for bigger trouble. This discovery kicked off a massive wave of research worldwide. To date, there are over 6,000 medical papers on this topic, studying not just the heart, but also the brain, liver, and kidneys. Then, 7 years later, in 1993, another scientist named Link found something even more incredible. She discovered that this protective effect isn't just local, it can happen across different parts of the body. In her initial experiment on a dog's heart, researchers briefly blocked a small coronary artery. Later, when a major coronary artery was blocked for a longer time, the area of heart damage was significantly smaller. This meant that the initial small stress sent some kind of protective signal to the rest of the heart muscle. This led scientists to wonder if this works within the heart. Could stressing one part of the body protect another? The answer was yes. For example, by temporarily restricting blood flow in an arm or a leg using a simple cuff, they found it could protect the heart, brain, and kidneys. This is the remote part of remote ischemic conditioning, or RIC. So let's recap the timeline. In 1986, Marie discovered ischemic preconditioning. In 1993, Link discovered the remote effect, giving us RIC. Since then, this simple technique of temporarily restricting limb blood flow has become a hot topic in clinical research. What are its main applications today? It's being studied for heart protection, especially to reduce the damage from heart attacks. For brain protection, it helps lower the risk of injury during a stroke or brain surgery. And in organ transplants, it helps organs like the liver and kidneys survive and function better after the procedure. So, for the past few decades, RIC has evolved from a lab discovery into a promising clinical tool. It's like a biological hack where a little bit of controlled stress in one area can activate the body's natural defense systems to protect our most vital organs. This simple but powerful idea is helping doctors find safer ways to reduce the harm caused by surgery and disease. Ever wondered if we could turn back the clock on aging? For over a century, scientists have been chasing this very idea, searching for the fountain of youth. It all started back in 1878, when a scientist named Claude Bernard proposed a key concept. Our health depends on keeping our body's internal environment stable. This environment, called the extracellular fluid, is basically the liquid that surrounds our cells, and it's crucial for everything they do. Fast forward about 100 years, and scientists conducted a mind-blowing experiment. They surgically joined old animals to young animals, forcing them to share a circulatory system. The results were astonishing. The organs and tissues of the older animals started to rejuvenate. Their aging stem cells were reactivated, functioning as if they were young again. This suggested that something in the young blood, let's call them good factors, could repair the body, while bad factors in the old blood were diluted. The older animals literally became healthier and more energetic. Now, to be clear, this was only done in animals, and we definitely can't do this with humans. But this research proved a vital point. The key to aging might just be hidden in our blood. So, while we wait for scientists to bottle up that youth factor, is there anything we can do right now? Well, there's a fascinating medical technique called RIC, which stands for Remote Ischemic Conditioning. It's like a full-body protective drill for your system. Originally, RIC was used during heart surgery or four-stroke emergencies to reduce organ damage. But new research is showing its potential is much, much bigger. Here's how it works. You simply place a pressure cuff on your arm, inflate it for about 5 minutes, and then release it. That's it. This simple act of creating a temporary, minor lack of blood flow triggers a powerful protective response throughout your entire body. How it improves blood circulation, calms down excessive inflammation, and can even help medications cross the blood-brain barrier to be more effective. Studies now suggest RIC can protect not just the heart and brain, but also the kidneys and liver. It might even help in treating neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by helping clear out harmful protein buildups. There's also promising research into its role in cancer therapy, fighting infections, and even reducing organ transplant rejection. From skin conditions like eczema to genetic diseases, the list of potential benefits keeps growing. RIC is a simple, non-invasive method. No pills, no surgery. Just a brief moment of pressure to unlock a huge protective effect. In the future, this could become a common supportive therapy in hospitals. By doing a simple RIC routine, we could be giving our bodies a powerful health boost and building our resilience against disease. So, while the secret to eternal youth might still be in a lab, this simple body drill is something we can explore for better health today. Hey everyone, have you ever felt like once aging starts, it's just a one-way street downhill? Well, recent scientific breakthroughs are telling us something incredible. Aging can be reversed, and so can disease. The core secret lies in a concept called hormetic stress. So, what is hormetic stress? It's about giving your body small, brief, and manageable little challenges. Think about things like exercise, intermittent fasting, or a fascinating medical discovery called remote ischemic conditioning, or RIC. This is a truly amazing medical finding. When the heart faces a short, mild stress, it actually triggers a self-protection mechanism, making it stronger. It's like the heart is doing a warm-up, getting ready for a bigger challenge. But what's even more incredible is that this protective power doesn't just stay in the heart, it spreads throughout the body. Studies found that after this heart conditioning, special cardioprotective factors appear in the blood. These factors don't just protect the heart, they can be transferred to other individuals through plasma, and it even works across different species. This might remind you of those famous parabiosis experiments, where young and old animals share a blood circulatory system. The young blood, rich in health factors like anti-aging proteins, helps rejuvenate the older animal. In contrast, older blood contains bad factors that can impair the memory and brain function of the younger animal. Similarly, RIC releases not just heart protective factors, but a whole cocktail of other healthy factors like nitric oxide, cytokines, and microRNA. These are our body's little repair helpers. At the same time, RIC helps clear out harmful elements like free radicals and inflammatory substances. This creates a virtuous cycle: good factors in, bad factors out. The result is a body that maintains balance, resists aging, and reduces disease risk. And it's not just the heart that benefits. It also positively impacts the brain, kidneys, and immune system. This whole process is the core secret of healthy medicine. By applying these small stressors, we activate a powerful response. The body releases protective factors, cleans out harmful substances, and initiates cellular repair. This creates a positive feedback loop. Cells get younger, organ function improves, and the heart can even undergo reverse remodeling. The process of disease and aging is literally reversed. So, while we can't actually do parabiosis, we can activate similar protective mechanisms through things like RIC, moderate exercise, and intermittent fasting. RIC isn't just about protecting your heart, it's about promoting whole body health and slowing down aging. It might just be the key to unlocking systemic anti-aging. It's a simple, effective method of preventive medicine that could become a globally accessible health strategy. So don't be afraid of those small, temporary challenges. They might just be the key to helping us reverse aging and disease. Health truly can be reversed, and that is the new hope of healthy medicine. Can RIC really help with health and wellness? The answer is yes, and scientific research is increasingly backing it up. RIC is a safe, low-cost, and non-invasive way to support your well-being, showing potential benefits for the heart, brain, anti-aging, and metabolic improvement. Many people think aging is destiny and disease is unavoidable, but modern medicine has shown that aging and disease are actually reversible physiological processes. For example, exercise can activate hormones that promote nerve regeneration, fat conversion, and fight inflammation. Intermittent fasting can activate autophagy and longevity genes to clear out damaged cells and slow aging. These aren't just simple health tips. They are scientific actions that can genuinely reverse disease processes and reboot your life's program. If we do nothing, chronic inflammation will continue to damage our cells, leading to diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and cancer. Metabolic imbalances and hormonal decline will accelerate muscle loss, osteoporosis, and cognitive decline. This isn't just natural aging, it's a passive slide toward a state of disease. The core of what we call healthy medicine is not about prolonging life, but about rebooting it. We don't have to be pushed around by aging and disease. We can choose to reverse our biological programming. Wellness is an active choice. Aging isn't fate, and disease doesn't just happen overnight. It's the result of years of neglect. When the body is stimulated correctly, like with RIC, it releases beneficial factors, reduces harmful ones, and improves the body's internal environment. This allows cells to slowly repair their function and structure, which is the true way to improve health from the ground up. So, to sum it up, disease and aging can be reversed. RIC is one of the most promising technologies to help. Healthy medicine is a philosophy of proactively reversing the aging process. And speaking of tools, I want to introduce something special, the Healthy RIC manometer. It doesn't just measure your blood pressure and pulse. It also stimulates your cardiovascular system, supporting wellness and even helping to reverse disease and aging. You might be wondering if this really works. The answer is a resounding yes. RIC has over 40 years of medical research behind it, with more than 6,000 medical articles supporting its effectiveness. It's widely used for general wellness as an auxiliary therapy to simulate exercise and to enhance physical fitness. Just 3 minutes a day is all it takes to measure your blood pressure and take care of your cardiovascular system. The goal isn't just to live longer, but to live better. Healthy medicine combined with the Healthy RIC blood pressure monitor is a pioneering approach to wellness. Let's not just live long, let's live well. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more health insights.
Do people truly believe that healthy medicine and RIC can promote wellness? Hurry and purchase a Healthy RIC sphygmomanometer to enhance your health every day. Don't forget to scan the QR code. Thank you all for watching. I am Dr. Andrew Shu Lee. Until next time.